where on earth did the task tray go in ClickUp? Hey, it's Graham McKenzie from ZenPilot, and I want to talk about this handy-dandy feature that ClickUp used to have called the tray, why it's no longer there and what's there in its place. And if you're used to using ClickUp version 3.0, and then you recently got upgraded to ClickUp 4.0, you've probably already experienced this if you were an avid either hotkey user or a power user on the platform who's used to being able to pin things handily to the tray. So what used to happen is we could take something like this, and we would have it pinned along the bottom. It would actually start over here on the right side and work its way out. And that feature was called the tray. So I'd be going through notifications in my inbox or somewhere, and it might be, some comments on a task that I need to get back to, and I'll just add it to the tray to make sure that I see it. It's right in front of me as I navigate around the platform. Anywhere I go in here, these items will stay the same. Then we had favorites or pinned items across the top, and we had favorites in the left-hand sidebar. Well, the tray feature is no longer called the tray feature. It's now a part of favorites. So we now have favorites in 3 different locations. We've got our sidebar, so we can see a whole list of favorites here. We've got them across the top, and we've got them across the bottom. And in the current iteration, as I'm recording this right before Christmas 2025, the current iteration, there's some distinctions that you ought to know between how favorites work in each of those places. So first thing I'd point out is this. These favorites across the bottom, there's one type of thing that'll automatically show there. So if I right-click and I add this to my personal priorities list, you can see my list of priorities is here. And I've actually found this to be pretty handy. So if you are using the priorities feature and you want to see, hey, what's on my priorities list, or if I want to go through and see what's on someone else's priority list, I can see that. But that's always with me down here in the corner. And I'm going to hit H on my computer here just so I go home. I'm going to go home, and I'm going to take a couple of these, and we'll add this to my priorities list as well. And so you'll just see a flag here. They're not going to keep popping out across the board. It's just kind of a reminder of, hey, here's how many priorities you have left. I like that visual reminder working through the day of, oh, man, I still have like 4 different priorities I've got to get to. And then it gets exciting as you get towards the end of the day, and you've closed out some of those tasks. Okay. This is the only place that priorities show. They don't show on the top. They don't automatically show in the sidebar. We can find them in a couple different places. We could find them from the Teams hub. So this is not the only place in the app that you'll see them, but in terms of favorites, they'll only show up in this bottom section of favorites. So I would still use this bottom favorites feature, and you can take a doc or a task and you can add it there. So on a task, you have this option. Do you want to put it on the top? Do you want to put it on the bottom? Do you want to put it in the sidebar? And we could actually take that same favorite, and you can see we can add it to multiple places. And then you go to favorite, and tasks and docs are the few things that can go in all 3 places. So it'll be a little bit strange to me to use favorites. Maybe we'll figure out a use case where you want it in multiple places. I'm not currently using it that way. I'm pretty much only using like one of those locations for any given thing. Okay, this is where the favorites name is a little confusing, because you'd think a favorite is a favorite is a favorite, but this isn't Shakespeare. This is ClickUp. So a favorite is not exactly the same depending on where you're using it. We could take a view, or a dashboard rather. We could take a doc. We could take a task, and we can pin it in this top favorites bar. We could pin all of those to this sidebar as well, favorites panel. But we couldn't take a dashboard. Let's just go to a dashboard as an example. And actually, this is a view that I have here. So we'll go to a view first, then I'll take you to a dashboard. So I can go to favorites, and I can either take this view and put it in the sidebar or in the top. You can see this won't go to the bottom. So they're still carrying through this idea that what goes along the bottom is really like, hey, this is what you're focused on today in the short term, and what goes along the top or in the left side is stuff that you might go back and forth between over time. Let's take well, here we've got another view. We go to dashboards, and we'll pull up a specific dashboard here. So here's a dashboard. Again, we can hover over, favorite it, add it to a specific section in the sidebar. We could potentially customize this and put it in different sections in our sidebar, which is kind of neat. But again, you don't have the bottom favorite opportunity. Now, there's one more thing that's a little bit different, and that is chats, or channels. If you're using ClickUp to communicate, in fact, let's go search for my YouTube demo channel here. you can see I have this added to my favorites, and I could remove it from my favorites as well, and then it's just a channel. But this channel, if I'm here and I go to favorite it, well, I don't have any option to put it in my top bar. So in the current iteration, Sidebar here is the most expansive. The only thing we can't really put here is your priorities. Those only automatically come in and out here along the bottom. But you can put channels, you can put tasks, you can put docs, you can put views, you can put dashboards. Across the top we get most of that, but we can't put any chat channels. And then on the bottom we're pretty limited to docs and tasks and our priorities that pop up. So it'll be interesting to see how this stays the same. Does it evolve over time? Where does it wind up going? But I just wanted to give you that quick overview. I've heard from a handful of users already who are like, where'd my tray go? What's going on with it? Well, it's still there. It's just been called favorites, and it acts a little different. Now, one of the complaints has been, hey, this is just kind of annoying that I used to just be able to use a hotkey or drop it down to my tray. And I agree that it takes a little bit more work here, but it's not that hard. If you're in a specific task, all you need to do is hover over the top here and then click wherever you want it or don't want it, and you can remove it real easily. Same thing if you're adding. It's just a hover and add it in here. And if you're out here, you can just right click on it and then select. You don't have to click anything here. Just hover and pick where you want it, and it'll show up there. Okay. Super minor detail in ClickUp 4.0. There's a lot more to cover, and we'll cover it all here on the channel. But just want to share that quick update on where the tray went and how to use ClickUp 4.0 favorites. All right, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any other questions so that we cover everything out there that's top of mind. All right, we'll see you next time.